Ever felt like your emotions are holding the reins, steering you into storm without a clear way out? When emotions cloud our judgment, the world can seem overwhelming. Hello and welcome to Case Calm Kit, your sanctuary for mastering your mind and emotions. Today, we are diving into the heart of emotional processing and its undeniable impact on your mental clarity. Understanding and managing our emotions isn't just about feeling better. It's crucial for making sound decisions and navigating life with confidence. Emotions can enrich our lives but can also overwhelm us, leading to clouded judgments and missed opportunities. That's why mastering emotional processing is essential for anyone looking to enhance their mental health and decision-making skills. In this video, we will explore practical strategies to not just cope with your emotions, but to wisely process and learn from them, ensuring they enhance rather than hinder your daily life. Stick around as we uncover the tools you need to clear the fog of overwhelming emotions and achieve the clarity you deserve. Emotional processing is a crucial skill that involves recognizing, interpreting, and responding to our emotions in a healthy way. It's about understanding what we feel, why we feel it, and how to handle those feelings appropriately. This process is essential for anyone looking to maintain both their emotional and mental health. Recognizing and interpreting our emotions correctly is a fundamental aspect of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence helps us navigate social complexities, influence others, and achieve our personal and professional goals. It is also key in managing stress and making decisions because it allows us to respond rather than react in challenging situations. However, when emotions remain unprocessed, they can create significant mental clutter. This clutter can obscure our thoughts, making it difficult to concentrate and make decisions. Over time, this can lead to a buildup of stress, anxiety, and even depression, affecting our overall well-being. By learning to process our emotions effectively, we equip ourselves with the tools to clear this mental clutter and improve our quality of life. Emotions, whether intensely positive or negative, play a significant role in shaping our perception and reasoning. When emotions run high, they can cloud our judgment, leading to decisions that might not align with our best interests. This happens because intense emotions can temporarily hijack the parts of our brain responsible for rational thinking and long-term planning. For example, consider a time when excitement led to an impulsive purchase that later seemed unnecessary, or how anger in a heated moment might cause someone to say something they later regret. Similarly, intense fear might prevent someone from taking a necessary risk, like speaking up during an important meeting or trying something new. On the positive side, emotions like joy and excitement can sometimes lead us to overlook potential risks or downsides in our decision-making process. While these emotions are not harmful in themselves, their intensity can lead to oversight and rash decisions. In professional settings, unmanaged emotions can lead to poor teamwork and decision-making. Emotional outbursts or an inability to handle stress can undermine an individual's leadership qualities and their team's overall morale. In personal life, it might affect relationships, where significant emotional reactions to small issues can cause conflicts or long-standing resentment. Understanding how to manage and process these emotions is crucial, not just for preventing the clouding of our judgment, but also for maintaining a balanced and productive life. By learning to identify when our emotions are taking the lead, we can take a step back and approach situations with a clearer, more balanced perspective. To enhance our emotional intelligence and maintain mental clarity, we need effective tools for processing our emotions. Here are 5 techniques that can help you recognize, manage, and learn from your emotional experiences. Each of these strategies serves to provide a different approach to handling emotions, ensuring you have a well-rounded toolkit at your disposal. Technique number 1, mindfulness and awareness exercises. Mindfulness and awareness exercises help you recognize and label your emotions as they arise, enhancing your understanding of their impact. To practice this, begin by focusing on your breath or a single point of concentration. As emotions surface, simply observe them without judgment and name them: anger, joy, frustration. This practice helps you detach from the intensity of the emotion and view it more objectively, making it easier to manage. Technique number 2, journaling. Journaling is a powerful method for articulating and processing feelings. By writing down what you feel, you give your emotions structure and clarity that thoughts alone can provide. Start by describing the situation that triggered the emotion, follow it by the emotions you felt and why you think you felt them. This process not only aids in emotional clarity but also in discovering triggers and patterns in your emotional responses. Technique number 3, cognitive restructuring. Cognitive restructuring involves challenging and changing unhelpful thoughts associated with intense emotions. First, identify the emotion and the thought causing it. Then, challenge the accuracy of this thought. Is it true? Is it exaggerated? Replace it with a more balanced thought. For example, instead of thinking "I always mess up," you might say "I made a mistake this time, but I can learn from it." This helps reduce the emotional intensity associated with negative or inaccurate perceptions. Technique number 4, physical activities. Engaging in physical activities such as deep breathing, yoga, or even a brisk walk can significantly reduce the intensity of emotional responses. These activities help release the physical tension that accompanies strong emotions and promote a state of relaxation and rejuvenation. For instance, deep breathing exercises involve focusing on slow, deliberate breaths that help center your mind and calm your body. Technique number 5, seeking professional help. When emotions become too overwhelming to handle alone, it's advisable to seek professional help. Therapists and counselors are trained to help you understand and process your emotions in a constructive way. They provide support, teach coping strategies, and offer guidance on emotional regulation. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a step toward better mental health. Emotional resilience is the ability to bounce back from stressful or adverse situations. It involves handling uncertainty and setbacks with a sense of optimism and persistence. Developing emotional resilience is essential not only for surviving difficult times, but also for thriving in everyday life. It allows us to maintain our mental clarity and composure even under pressure. The benefits of building emotional resilience are extensive. Resilient individuals can manage their emotions more effectively, face challenges with confidence, and recover more quickly from disappointments. This resilience contributes to better relationships, improved work performance, and a greater overall sense of well-being. To strengthen your emotional resilience, consider incorporating the following practices into your daily routine. Number 1, mindfulness practice. Dedicate a few minutes each day to mindfulness or meditation. This can help center your thoughts and reduce reactivity to emotional disturbances. Number 2, regular exercise. Physical activity is not only good for the body but also for the mind. It helps manage stress and increases the production of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Number 3, emotion-focused journaling. Make it a habit to write down your thoughts and feelings. This helps process emotions and fosters greater self-awareness, a key component of resilience. Number 4, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve emotionally and mentally. Setting goals helps maintain focus and motivates you to overcome obstacles. Beyond personal practices, the role of a supportive community or network cannot be overstated. Sharing your experiences and emotions with trusted friends, family, or support groups can provide comfort, advice, and different perspectives. It also reduces feelings of isolation and stress. Engaging with others who are committed to emotional health can reinforce your own efforts to build resilience and maintain mental clarity. For each of these practices, we prepared a dedicated video. We link them in the description below, so make sure to watch them for better practice and application. As we wrap up our discussion on emotional processing and mental clarity, remember the key techniques we've explored: mindfulness, journaling, cognitive restructuring, physical activities, and seeking help when needed. Each of these can enhance your ability to manage emotions and maintain clarity. Put these strategies into practice and notice the improvement in your mental health. For more tools and insights, check out the Mental Clarities playlist, link in the description and in the pop-up at the top right of this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Case Calm Kit, like this video and share your experiences in the comments. We have more resources available on our channel for those looking to deepen their understanding of mental health topics. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on taking this step towards a clearer, calmer life. Stay engaged, keep learning, and take care of your mind. It's your greatest asset. See you in the next video. Much love.